Hello, everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. In this video, we are going to look at how to enable Gridlines and use the Snap to Grid feature in Power BI. This is a crucial formatting step that ensures your dashboard visuals align perfectly and look highly professional without forcing you to guess their exact positioning. Let's turn these alignment tools on. First, move your cursor up to the top menu ribbon and click on the View tab. Next, locate the Page Options section right in the middle of the ribbon. To see your alignment layout, check the box next to Gridlines. Look closely at your background canvas now. You will see a subtle pattern of guide dots appear. Don't worry, these dots are only there to help you build. They will not show up when you share or print your final report. Now, even with guide dots, moving charts pixel by pixel can take a lot of time. To make alignment completely effortless, go right below that option and check the box for Snap to Grid. This feature acts like a magnet for your report visuals. When you drag or resize any chart, its edges will automatically snap directly onto the nearest gridline intersection. Let's test it on our canvas. If we select this misaligned chart and drag it closer to the next visual, you'll see it instantly snaps perfectly into place. This removes all the tedious guesswork and manual tweaking, allowing you to build a pixel-perfect, clean report layout in just seconds. And that's it. That is the simplest way to enable Gridlines and use Snap to Grid in Power BI. If you found this quick formatting tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.